Hey, how you doing? Map here, Map Investments. So, the crypto space right now, the market is up 4.5%. I think we will go higher over the weekend. That's what the trend seems like. I put out a video yesterday saying, hey, let's buy this dip. Um, I'm new to this crypto space. I'm no expert, um, but I just look at the tape, just like at the stock market. I look at basically here the Coinbase tradable assets, which you got about a good 42 of them, and I just keep my eyes on these 42, and then you know uh, keep looking at them and looking and memorize the price action. And yesterday we saw some good red everywhere. I mean, market was down over 15%. I said, hey, it's time to buy a little bit, and I think we should see some action over the weekend. I think we should see some green, and then maybe as we get closer to Monday, we'll get a little pullback. That's what I'm assuming. That's what I saw last week. This is a new endeavor for me this year, and I think a lot of people are dabbling into this. I trade small, and I take my profits when I can on some. Um, what I wanted to talk about was from analyzing and looking at this, and we're only in January, we're ending the month soon, is look at it and learn from it. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday everything was down. It was a bloodbath, and the only coin that was up was Celo Gold. Celo Gold. I say Celo Gold because GLD is an ETF, but Celo was up. So there's a lot of good videos on Celo. I'll recommend watching them on Coinbase. Um, I'm using Coinbase Pro. You got better fees here. You can look at the. Let's see if I can pull up Celo Gold here. It's down right now, but if you look at the chart, when everything was bleeding and it was down big across the board, it looked like everybody came into Celo for safety. So let's keep that in our memory bank, because if it happens again next time and we see Celo green and the rest red, this might be a safety net. Celo is supposed to, from watching these videos, um, they supposedly peg to the USD. Um, it's a core utility reserve staking and governance asset for the Celo platform. The platform aims to make financial tools borderless, easy to use, accessible for anybody on a mobile phone. DeFi payments protocol Celo Ready's launch of Euro Peg stable coin. So I mean, it became available in September, not too long ago. So we're all new to this. This just came out on Coinbase. It's got 184 million supply. Here's a 24-hour chart. I think this thing hit like over three. Yeah, it got up to 380, almost $4 yesterday in the chaos, and now it's selling off because risk is back on. I don't know if that's what this coin is purpose is gonna be. But I did see that, and that's the kind of stuff that I'm looking at. I'm no expert when it comes to exactly the intricacies of each coin. Like, I'm trying to learn. I know Chainlink has to do with their contracts. I know Bitcoin is the blockchain, is the mother of them all. Um, I learned a little bit about OXT, that they have to do with VPN. Um, and I'm trying to learn a little bit. I know Decentraland has to do with like real estate, virtual real estate. While they're up 30% today. Uh, but that's what I'm trying to do with these coins. Um, and I did realize that yesterday with Celo. Now, if you look at the prices here, market's up. Actually, correct. The market's up 10%. I said it was up 5%. I guess I didn't refresh my screen. It's up 10%. I picked up a bunch of stuff yesterday, and I'm doing okay. And we'll see what happens over the weekend. But look at Bitcoin 10%, Ether 13, Litecoin 11, Chainlink up 20, 20 over 20% Chainlink, good return. I picked it up at 20 and I picked it up under 20. I thought 20 was support, the new support. Um, Uniswap up 18. EOS, I did a video. I think it's completely undervalued based on the Coinbase, based on the bitcoins they own. Um, Aave up 22, Tezos up 22, Cosmos up 15, SNX up 21, and so forth. But let's keep that in our memory bank. Sorry, you're gonna hear my dog. She's crying. Sorry about that. Celo. It seems that when risk is bad, they're coming to this coin. Uh, it looked like a safety net yesterday. So that's what I wanted to focus on this video in the crypto. Um, I loaded up on some stuff here in my Robinhood account. I maxed it out whatever I could. I got Litecoin, I got Doggy Coin, Ethereum Classic, and BSV. I loaded up on all the coins. See if I can grow. Today the account's up 3%. Can't complain. That's good. So we'll see what happens over the weekend. I'll do a couple more videos. But Celo looked like it was a risk-off coin. Let's memorize that and see what happens again. All right. See you in the next video.